Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to build from scratch using NZXT's latest case on the market, the NZXT H9 Flow. Let's get started. First, we install the CPU onto the motherboard. And don't forget to install the mounts for the liquid cooler. Next, apply some thermal paste and install the pump for the liquid cooling system. Then, we insert the RAM sticks and any storage drives we're going to use. Now we move on to the case. The first thing we'll do is remove all the detachable panels so we can work more comfortably. The only one I leave in place is the front tempered glass panel, because in this case, it doesn't get in the way. But if it does for you, just take it off. By the way, I've left a link in the cards and in the description to the full review of this case. Make sure to check it out. With the panels off, I'm swapping out the front fans. I had replaced the rear fan with a Corsair one, since I didn't have a 120mm RGB fan from NZXT. But because the hub on that fan doesn't work, I decided to stick with the stock one. Once all the fans are installed, we place the motherboard inside the case and screw it in. Then we mount the radiator as well. After that, we install the power supply with the cables we're going to use. Now, we plug in all the cables to the motherboard. We remove the PCIe slot covers we need, install the graphics card, and connect its power cable. Finally, we put all the panels back in place. And just like that, we're ready to enjoy our new build.